and good morning everyone. My name is Indira and I'm from UK. This is about the review of Mudra class I recently completed. Firstly, I would like to thank both my gurus Sri Dharanipragada gaaru and Deepthi ma'am for their wonderful and insightful classes about Mudras which were beautifully explained. I thank both of them for giving me opportunity to be part of this learning. I would like to share with you as how I started this journey. It happened so, my sister in India came across Guru Garu's YouTube video when she was desperately looking out for some holistic healing of high blood pressure for her husband. As shown in the video, she made her husband do the mudra for the stipulated time, and surprisingly on checking the BP, it started dipping, which was showing very high few minutes back then. They were very happy and couldn't believe to what treasure they found. Her husband since then started practicing regularly. She contacted Guru Garu and conveyed her gratitude. When she found that she can also learn these mudras, she immediately enrolled herself. She then shared her experience with me and recommended me to join the classes as she realized that it's important and always good to learn and have the first-hand information and knowledge when it comes to taking care of self or anyone in the family. I joined the classes and to be honest, from day one, I found the structure of the class is so designed that even a layman can easily understand and do it. Both Guru Garu and Deepthi ma'am have made the class feel amazed with their profound knowledge of the mudras. Ma'am conducts class with utmost discipline and makes sure to check every participant's involvement by asking quiz questions or testing our attentiveness in the class. And also, like back in school days, she every day gives some mudra practice as homework too, and also makes whole class do mudras while taking the class. Their patience in repeating and clearing our doubts till everyone understood the mudra has really made me fall in love with their teaching style. Coming to topics covered where I should say all those important mudras were covered which everyone needs these days to correct energy balances from head to toe and also to correct any imbalances in the vital organs which can affect our normal day-to-day life like thyroid issues, diabetes, blood pressure, heart problems, sinusitis, asthma, lung and liver issues, kidney issues, you name it, and they have mudra treatment for it. Sometimes ma'am and Guru Garu explain the science behind the healing by these mudras, which is also very, very interesting. Didn't know how quickly a month passed in learning, even though it was for a short period, but I'm sure it will have an impact for a lifetime, I can say. To anyone listening this, I like to say, trust me, mudras work. Why not give it a try to these mudras, as I feel that at least one member in a family should be having this kind of knowledge. This ancient knowledge is not a human invention to be skeptical about its working. It's inbuilt in our body. Only we fail to see this hidden software manual. It's like bunch of software we have in our hardware called this body. It's all about energy flow within us, and wherever our attention goes, this energy flows and fixes the issues. Ages back, our great rishis discovered it, and out of compassion, love and care, they uncovered this treasure and passed on to humankind to understand self and help restore health by using breath techniques, hand gestures and yoga postures. Maybe many more. And now, some compassionate gurus like our Prakash Gaaru spent major of his time in teaching yoga and mudras to many people suffering from ailments that were even said to be incurable by modern doctors. That's such a great contribution to the well-being of the community. Thanks from the bottom of our heart for your services, Guru Garu. I appreciate their whole family for their contribution in their own way. Deepthi ma'am, on the other hand, is a gem molded by Guru Garu himself. Ma'am, also being a software herself, probably could easily grasp this software of energy flow and guide us all perfectly without a doubt. I observed that ma'am is a silent observer and can figure out the cause for a problem based on the person's activity. I am sure and wish after some more research, ma'am could be very soon identifying the energies anyone carrying just by looking at the color of their aura and can suggest required treatment, which is also an ancient knowledge. A small example I would like to share how ma'am observed in the class was when ma'am made one participant to stop using the earphones like earbuds, which was actually creating uneasiness to that person, which she didn't realize the reason for her severe headache. After stopping use of those earbuds, she admitted her headache was gone. This is how keenly ma'am observes. So this shows that our various meridian points in the body, when pressed in a wrong way with wrong pressure, can create uneasiness and diseases. So we all need to learn and know the right points to be pressed with the right pressure to keep our body energies balanced. And this is what our gurus teach us. I feel happy that I have joined the classes, and ma'am, I will definitely keep up practicing regularly and update honestly when I fix my own health issues. In the meantime, I will also try help others who need and believe in this healing. With all blessings of Guru Gaaru, we completed the class successfully. Thank you, dear Dipti ma'am and Prakash Guru Gaaru. You both have been an amazing teacher all along the sessions. I wish you good luck with further research on mudras. Love the depth of your knowledge and wish you very best to spread this knowledge of mudras to many more like us. Thank you once again, Deepti ma'am and Guru Gaaru, and thanks to each and every participant of our lovely class. Namaste.